First, the breaking news in Johnson County. Lenexa police officers will not be charged for the June shooting death of a 25-year-old Grandview man. The Johnson County DA just held a press conference releasing details of their investigation and body cam footage of the shooting. I'm Laura Moritz.
And I'm Kelly Eckerman. KMBC 9's Krista Tatchell is live in Olathe now after speaking with the DA and the family of the shooting victim. Krista?
Kelly, 25-year-old Jose Enrique Cartagena Chacon, who went by Enrique, was shot and killed while sitting in his car earlier this summer after a night of drinking with friends. Those friends told police that Enrique had a CO2 pellet gun, which is considered a firearm under Kansas state law, and was pointing that at their heads and their chests, and that's when they called 911. Two officers arrived on scene, and this is where the Johnson County District Attorney took media through his investigation this afternoon. Once those two officers arrived at the Lenexa apartment complex on June 22nd around 3 in the morning, body cam video we watched shows the officers walking up to both sides of Chacon's car, thinking he was the one who called 911. When they got to the car, they saw what looked like a 9mm weapon in his lap. They called multiple times for him to put his hands up. Chacon then picked up the pellet gun that was unloaded, and the officer on the driver's side fired 8 times, killing Chacon. Chacon's family has viewed the body cam footage and said this should have never happened. He should be alive, and someone needs to be held accountable.
And it's my opinion that based on all the facts and applying all the law, that the officers were justified in the use of they were justified in the use of deadly force, and therefore they will not face any charges in this case.
We're seeking justice for the fact of the way that things were done. The whole family's devastated. There's no reason for he should still be with us.
The family says that Enrique didn't speak much English, and they said, well, maybe he couldn't hear the instructions from the officer. He was drunk at the time, and maybe he couldn't tell the officers in English that he just had a pellet gun and that it was unloaded. Remember, again, a pellet gun like he had on his person is considered a firearm in the state of Kansas. Now, the DA and the chief of Lenexa Police say today that they believe the two officers acted completely in self-defense, which is also protected by state law, and that they are still on duty. Their identification will not be released, nor will their years of service in the Lenexa Police Department. We're live in Olathe. Krista Tatchell, KMBC 9 News.
Thank you, Krista. Chacon's family attorneys say they will file their federal lawsuit against the police officers involved, as well as possibly the city of Lenexa, by the end of the year.